This is Brian with WTI, and yes, you're seeing my bathroom in the background. Today I want to talk to you about this beautiful and clean and white toilet seat by SADALAK. This is the one that I'm going to be replacing. So let me tell you a few things about this and we're going to install it together. We just have to check the manual. It comes with a manual, as you can see here, and it's very easy to install. It has two different ways to install it. The typical way with the screw behind the toilet, or the other way that you can just insert the little plastic that is going to hold the screw, and then you just have to install it like you're seeing in the video. I'm just putting everything here with the screwdriver, and everything is very easy to install. At the end, you can put this amazing decorative metallic cap, so you can cover the screws, and it gives a little fancy look, and it's also easy to clean. So when you finish, you just have to push the little button that you can see here, and that's it. That's basically it. That's how you install a new toilet seat in 15 minutes. It's very comfy, and it fits exactly with my toilet, E-type toilet seat. So if you're looking for something very elegant, fancy, this is the one for you, and that's my point of view.